Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a flashlight that's not just bright, but it's incredibly smart and customizable. Let's take a look at the new Fenix PD45R ACE. As I said, this is the new Fenix PD45R ACE. Quick unboxing. As always, you'll get your box, of course. You'll see this little tag. Go ahead and tear it off. It's just reminding you to take off the back and remove this tab so that way it doesn't turn itself on during shipping. You want to go ahead and screw your tail cap back on, make sure it's tight. Now you're good to go. You will get your instruction manual, a warranty card, and some other of the Fenix products that we do have available on our website as well if you want to take a look at that. You will get your USB-A to USB-C charger. That's the cable, I'm sorry. You will get a lanyard, as well as a couple spare O-rings on when you take the tail cap off. These little O-rings right here, they wear out over time, so that's what those are, to replace those. And you will get a flashlight holster. That is your unboxing of your new PD45R ACE. So as we know, Fenix has always been synonymous with quality and performance. But with the PD45R ACE, they've truly stepped up the game. This isn't just another powerful flashlight, one that's kind of like the run-of-the-mill of your average. This is the inaugural model in their new Advanced Command Edition, or ACE. And it lives up to that name with some seriously innovative features. First things first, let's talk raw power. The PD45R ACE boasts an incredible 3200 lumens on its turbo mode, throwing a beam an impressive 410 meters, or over 1,300 feet. That's some serious reach, folks. It is powered by a luminous SFT70 Gen 2 cold white LED. It cuts through the darkest nights with ease, but it's not just about brute force, it's about the intelligent illumination. So what truly sets the PD45R ACE apart is its revolutionary set customization feature. Traditional flashlights often make you cycle through modes you don't need. You don't need to get them, you don't need them, or you don't need to get to the one you want. Not anymore. The PD45R ACE features a unique rotary mode selector that allows you to pre-program up to 6 different output configurations. Imagine having a mode that's just turbo and strobe for tactical situations, or another with eco, low, and medium for everyday tasks. You decide what modes are accessible, eliminating unnecessary clicks and giving you instant access to your preferred settings. This is huge for professionals and anyone who relies on their lights in critical moments. And speaking of convenience, charging this beast is a breeze. As you can see, it has a hidden USB-C charging port. You unscrew that, and neatly tucked away and protected from dust and water, no more fiddling around with external chargers or anything else, it comes with a high capacity 6,000 milliamp hour 21700 battery. Typically these come with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. This one is a 6,000, which provides phenomenal runtime. Yep, up to 57 hours on eco mode. That is more than 2 full days of continuous light. A full charge from empty only takes about 3 hours. Durability is key for any serious flashlight, and the PD45R ACE delivers. It's constructed from all metal, CNC machined aluminum alloy with a hardened anodized finish, making it incredibly tough. It is IP68 rated waterproof, meaning it can be submerged in water, and it's, I believe, a 1 meter impact resistant. This light is built to withstand the rigors of any environment you throw at it. Other features include an intelligent overheat protection system that automatically steps down the lumen output to prevent damage, and it also has a lockout function. Back here on the rotary dial, you just simply rotate it, and there's your lockout function. That will prevent accidental activation, which is a crucial safety feature for tactical users or when carrying this light in a bag or in your pocket. The tactical tail switch provides intuitive control even when wearing gloves. So if you're wearing gloves and you need to turn this on, you can grab a hold of it and use it. So, who is this Fenix PD45R ACE for? Well, it's for the professional who needs reliable, customizable illumination in high-stakes situations. It's for the outdoor enthusiast who demands long-lasting, powerful light for their adventures. And it's for anyone who appreciates cutting-edge technology and superior build quality in their everyday carry. Now, setting your PD45R is super simple. On your instructions and on the bottom here on the box, it has 6 different modes you can choose from. Now, to set it, you simply take your rotary dial and go all the way over here to set, and you'll see it blink 6 times. Say you wanted mode 1, which is ultra high and strobe. All you do is fully depress it 1 time. Turn it off. And that's it. You are set on ultra high and ultra high only. That's it. That's all. Super simple. Again, rotate it to the set mode. It will blink. If you wanted mode 6, simply depress the button all the way down 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And roll it back. Now, you have got all kinds of different levels. Super, super simple, super easy. This new Fenix PD45R ACE is a testament to Fenix's commitment to innovation and user-centric design. It is a truly powerful and versatile tool that redefines what a tactical flashlight can be. If you're looking to upgrade your lighting game, the PD45R ACE should absolutely be on your radar. So, what do you guys think of the new PD45R ACE? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Fenix Store flashlight reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out our next upload. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.